Hello, Team 61 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, February 8th. This is our final week of fully virtual learning before we move back into the hybrid learning stage, where some students will be coming in 2 times a week beginning next week, starting on Tuesday, February 16th. So throughout this week, I will be answering any questions, going into further details about those first couple days for those hybrid students returning, as well as the students staying home. So definitely some more information to come on all of that. To make things rather simple, to continue our China unit, we will be moving into the Qin dynasty. That Qin word is pronounced Qin, and we will be learning about a guy named Emperor Qin this week. So I opened up this week's folder. It is the yellow folder at the top of your screen. I'm going to Monday's subfolder, the green one, and there is a Qin Dynasty introduction question. So there's a very brief introduction reading. It says, the Warring States period came to an end when the kingdom of Qin unified China. Qin Zheng of Qin, who became the first emperor, is remembered as a leader determined to build a great empire. Although his dynasty lost power soon after his death, later dynasties built upon his methods for ruling a large empire. This week you will use various sources to learn about the rule of Emperor Qin. Based on these sources, you will later decide if he was an effective ruler, a hero, or an ineffective ruler, a villain. Next week you will complete a project using the information learned this week. So we will complete the stuff this week, and we will get set up for the project next week. But first, the easy Monday assignment will be watch this video called The Terracotta Warriors, then use this information to answer the discussion question below. It's probably a good idea to take some notes on some good and bad things that Emperor Qin did as a leader of China. So the question says, what were 2 positive leadership qualities of Emperor Qin and 2 negative leadership qualities? So you're looking for 2 good things and 2 bad things about Qin. So students will watch the video.
In 1974, the fertile grounds of Xi'an, China, yielded a spectacular secret. Buried in the soil, farmers found a beautifully sculpted head. One by one, soldiers emerged until an entire clay army was unearthed.
So that clay army of Emperor Qin tells us much more about him. This video will also talk about many good qualities and bad qualities. So once again, for full credit, in complete sentences, make sure that you are telling me 2 positive and 2 negative leadership qualities. And then for our live Google Meet session on Tuesday, which is the 9th, we will begin looking at various sources that talk about Emperor Qin being both a good leader and a bad leader. And there will be questions that go with that, and that will be the bulk of our work for this week. But we will get to that Tuesday. If you have any questions as you're going to work on Monday, please let me know. I hope you have a fantastic day. See everybody on Tuesday. Bye, everybody.